Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Shopify Plus, full guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with Shopify Plus, begin by understanding the basics of affiliate marketing. Familiarize yourself with how affiliate marketing works and its benefits. Next, determine your niche or target market. Research potential products or services that align with your niche. Set up your Shopify Plus account if you haven't already. Choose a suitable plan that fits your business needs. Design your online store to reflect your brand identity. Make sure your store is user-friendly and visually appealing. Next, select products to promote as an affiliate. Look for affiliate programs that offer products in your niche. Join the chosen affiliate programs to gain access to marketing materials. Create engaging content to attract your target audience. Utilize blog posts, videos, and social media to promote your affiliate links. Incorporate SEO strategies into your content to improve visibility. Keep track of KPIs such as click-through rates and conversions. Monitor your sales performance to understand what works best. Test different marketing strategies to optimize your approach. Build an email list to engage with your audience directly. Utilize newsletters to share valuable content and promote affiliate offers. Leverage social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche for added exposure. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations for affiliate marketing. Analyze your results regularly to make data-driven decisions. Continue to refine your strategies for sustained growth. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively start your journey in affiliate marketing with Shopify Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.